Hi there, welcome to the very first episode of our Jira AI video series. In this series, we'll be showing you how to harness the power of AI to enhance your Jira experience. In today's video, we'll explore some quick and easy ways to start leveraging AI in Jira right now. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. So we're going to show you two very easy ways of utilising Atlassian AI today. Starting with using Atlassian AI for searching for issues within a project. Instead of trailing through filters, you can now use real language to search for issues. For example, I want to see a list of issues created by myself in priority order. Secondly, once notes from a meeting are captured, it would then be up to the project manager to trail through those notes and pull out the tangible actions. With Atlassian AI, you can now ask the AI to pull out the actions and list them for you, saving time for the project manager and creating those important subtasks much more efficiently. This is just one of many commands you can ask of Atlassian AI,